Steph, I want to start by saying I love you, and I have been looking forward to this day for my whole life. Everything that has happened since the time we have been together is everything I could have ever dreamed of and more. Even though we found each other late in life, it was all worth the wait in the end. I love your dedication, work ethic, sense of humor, and your love for birds traveling to Africa. We have been through so much in the past year, things that people take a lifetime to do. And I know that since we have made it through that, we can make it through whatever life throws our way.